Welcome to Aquatic Park, San Francisco, California, on a typical fall, summer, early morning. And behold the beginnings of the annual San Francisco Festival of the Sea. Brought to you by America's favorite federal agency, the National Park Service, and the all-volunteer San Francisco Maritime National Park Association. And the stage for the event is set. Well, getting set. The Maritime Museum of San Francisco, an iconic building that dates back to the 1920s, is kind of the host place for the venue. Aquatic Park Beach, that'll soon be transformed by sand castles. Little footnote here as the morning swimmers here at Aquatic Parks Cove do their thing. The Hyde Street Pier is sadly, notably bereft of all the historic ships, the Balclutha, Cape Horner Clipper, the Eureka Ferry, and others, because the Hyde Street Pier is under repair. Inside setting, the blue room of the Maritime Museum, amazing Art Deco, is the central hub of activity as the day's volunteer program prepares for this major event. Yeah, let's take another really quick look at the remarkable Deco architecture of this phenomenal landmark with an ocean view. Well, more properly a bay view, or even more properly a cove view, harbor view. Sights and sounds of the organizing piece during the warm-up phase. It takes a lot to get a production as this off the ground. A miniature informal concertina concert. All in the fine-tuning, all in the fine-tuning. For the record master chanty man, Peter Kaysen, former NPS Ranger and host of an international sea chanty performance network.
There's some of us sick and there's some of us sore. Away, right-o. We've drunk all of the grog and we can't get no more, and we're bound for the Rio Grande.
I got it from Lincoln and Abraham. You're a rowdy soul. I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. I'm a rowdy soul. I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. Now you can't do me like 10 for shine. You took his money, but you can't take mine. Ain't but one man that I fear. That's Big Jack Johnson, but he ain't here. I'm a rowdy soul. I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. I'm a rowdy soul. I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. I get my new house done and build my chimney higher to keep my neighbor's pussycat from pissing out my fire. I'm a rowdy soul, I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. I'm a rowdy soul, I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. Took my gal to the party-o and didn't think nothing about it. Ain't no hand to raise a row, but I'm hell when I get started. I'm a rowdy soul, I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not. I'm a rowdy soul, I'm a rowdy soul. I don't care whether I work or not.
We're here with Laura De Felice, the Education Director for the San Francisco Maritime National Park Association. Good afternoon.
Hi.
So behind us is Master Chanty Man
Peter Kaysen.
Peter, that's right. He's renowned around the world. Tell us really quickly, Laura, a little bit about San Francisco Maritime National Park Association, which is different than the National Park and Park Service.
Certainly, yeah. We are the official nonprofit partner, 501c3 of the National Park, so similar to the Golden Gate Conservancy, and we help drive the mission of the Maritime Park through education, philanthropy, and preservation.
Now, driving a mission is different than driving a boat like the CA Theater, which isn't over there anymore.
No, yeah.
The ships are taking a little vacation in
They
Mare Island.
Yes, they're cozied up alongside the coal sheds at Mare Island, including the Eureka. CA Thayer is out for its annual dry dock, and the park is working on getting public access back to the
And your
ships.
Cape Horner, the Balclutha, is
There as well.
okay.
Yeah.
And really quick synopsis on the San Francisco Festival of the Sea, and it's been a pretty progressive.
We got a great turnout today.
Yeah.
It is an annual event. We took a little hiatus during COVID, but we are back. This is the second year. And music, sea shanties. We added some more modern twists coming later this afternoon, like Surf Monster.
Whee!
Over in the Maritime Museum building. It's a packed crowd in there with lots of shanties. The Mermaid Puppet Show just happened. And we have our fleet of Pelican sailboats out right now in Aquatic Park. Pelicans are historic to San Francisco Bay, one of the first dinghy fleets to be built. So and some Master Mariner boats about to sail.
And today's been just a festive, fun-packed activity. You anticipate greater turnout next year as this thing builds?
Yeah, obviously. We rely on the foot traffic. So we're here for the community, put the word out. But it's a free event every year around September.
This is like the best of what a country can do, volunteerism on top of
Maritime
everybody's favorite government agency.
That's right.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for supporting.
And a little bit of the waterworks courtesy of San Francisco Fire Department. Never know what you're going to find at Aquatic Park, especially on a magical day as this. Now, if you have a puppet, you better have a puppet
was a nuclear
show.
bomb they were testing. Good thing he was traveling very fast and he was avoiding land. Right? Okay, he made it past another scary thing. And here he comes. Scene 5, the pioneer minx. Kenichi spent months and months at sea with almost nothing to see and no one to talk to. He was at sea for over 3 months, y'all, all by himself. Day 49, day 56, day 65, day 74, when suddenly...
The bottomless boat. So, let's call this little dinghy the bottomless thingy. It's christened. And castle construction fully underway. The young. The really young. Sprawl. We're marking out the magic circle turf. The shovel at work. And kid creativity knows no limits with a little helping hand. And that sandcastle project competition, call it what you will, is growing by leaps, bounds, and buckets. And so we bid farewell to this year's San Francisco Festival of the Sea. And we bid you
Jonathan Bird.
farewell for this
And,
year.
It's called
Fair
Poor
winds.
Johnny.